What's up, everyone? My name is German Sanchez, and I'm an electrical engineer based out of Jacksonville, Florida. I'm originally from Kansas. Shout out to my K-State Wildcats. Woo woo! I received my degree from Kansas State University, very good university. So I wanted to make this video to tell you guys a little bit about my knowledge on how electricity works and tell you a little bit about why I do what I do and what led me down the path of electrical engineering. So first of all, I'm Mexican American. I grew up in a very big family, both sides of my parents. Lots of tias, lots of tios, lots of cousins. When I was little, I used to love hanging out with a lot of my older cousins because, first of all, they were like 5, 6 years older than me, so a lot of them already had cars, and I still had a bike. They would modify their cars. They would put in the subwoofers, they would put in the kickers, the Memphis Mojos, the Rockford Fosgates, and I used to love cruising around with them and, feeling how that deep bass coming out of the subwoofers would just make my chest vibrate. I used to take old headphones, take out the speakers out of them, put them in little die-cast model cars, and hook that up into my stereo in my room, play around with my little car, acting like that's me cruising down the street with my subwoofers in my car. This stuff, I knew that it worked with electricity. I just didn't know how. I knew that subwoofers needed an amp, for them to actually work. I didn't know why. I didn't know the difference between a 2 ohm and a 4 ohm speaker. And this is kind of what led me down the path of electrical engineering. I kind of wanted to know more a little about all these things and how it worked. So now that you know a little bit about me, let's talk about electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a very broad term, but one of its most basic definitions is electricity is the flow of electric charge. So electricity is the flow of electric charge. What is this? What is electric charge? To answer this question, we have to take this back to an old science and old physics class.